Hello, in this video we are discussing CUSAT CAT 2019 MSc Physics Entrance Solutions Part 2. The acceleration of a body revolving in a circle at a uniform speed is directed towards the center. It is called centripetal acceleration. Which one of the following is not accelerated? In this option D is correct. When engine thrust is equal to friction, net force equal to 0. It implies acceleration equal to 0. That means not accelerated. When a charge is given to a soap bubble, it shows increase in size. This is because when we give a charge, whether it is positive or negative, to a soap bubble, the size of the bubble increases because of the electrostatic repulsive force between similar charges. That means if it is a soap bubble, there will be positive charge, negative charge, all are present. When we give a positive charge, here already positive charge is present, then there will be electrostatic repulsive force act between these similar charges. So as a result, there will be increase of size of the soap bubble. Similarly, if we give a negative charge, due to the presence of negative charge in the soap bubble, there will be electrostatic repulsive force act between them, and as a result there will be increase in size of the soap bubble. Okay. Which one of the following is invariant under a Galilean transformation? Option A, force is correct. This Galilean invariance states that the laws of motion are same in all inertial frames, especially Newton's law hold in all inertial frames. Second law is especially saying about the second law of motion, which means the force is invariant under Galilean transformation. Two particles approach each other with different velocities. After collision, one of them is found to have momentum p in their center of mass frame. In the same reference frame, the other particle must have momentum. If there is no external force, the momentum will be conservative in the frame of center of mass. Momentum conservative ആയിരിക്കും. Momentum will be conservative. So the momentum in the frame of reference is 0. Total momentum will be 0. If one of the particle have momentum p, then other will have a momentum minus p. Option C is correct. Particles that travel at the speed of light are called, it is option B, lepsons. Solitons are particles, solitary wave that behave like a particle, and lepsons are massless particles traveling at the speed of light. Tachyons are particles which move faster than light, and exciton means it is a bound state of an electron and an electron hole which are attracted to each other by the electrostatic Coulomb force. Therefore, option B is correct. If we neglect the effect of air resistance, then the shape of curve described by a projectile thrown horizontally from the top of a 14th floor building will be, it will be projectile motion, then the shape will be parabola. Okay. A Schottky defect in a crystal is an example of missing atom. Missing atom. Okay. Okay. In Boolean algebra, A A bar equal to 0. Option C is correct. I have to add something. A Schottky defect is, it means some atoms or ions are missing from their normal lattice sites. It is unoccupied lattice sites are called vacancies or holes. It is therefore called missing atom. Okay, next question. To construct a 2-input OR gate, one need at least, option B is correct, 1 resistance and 2 diodes. We can construct a 2-input OR gate as this is diode 1 and this is diode 2. Okay, and we are connecting a resistance here, then grounding it. Sorry, here we are placing a LED. And grounding it, it will be an LED. Okay, here it will be 0 volt, means low potential. Okay, this is input A, this is input B, and this is resistance R, D1, D2. Okay, then here 0 means low volt, that is 0 volt. 1 means we are giving 5 volt. Okay, first we can construct a truth table, that is, here we are giving 1 and here we are giving 0. Okay, then there will be a potential difference exist between. This diode will remain off. Therefore there will be current flow through the diode D1 and this LED will be on. We get a, okay, I will remove this, A, B, LED. Okay, 1, 0, it will be on. Okay, now we are giving here 1, here 0, then will be the diode D1 will be off and the diode D2 will conduct. As a result, LED will be on. If we give both 0, 0, then both will not conduct. Therefore, LED will be off. And we give both 1, then there will be current flow through both the diode and the LED will be on. This means this is a 2-input OR gate and we need 1 resistance and 2 diodes. Okay. Electron is a lepton. It is of low mass, feel weak nuclear force, negative charge, and it has distinct mass. Okay. A stationary electric charge produces electric field, while when the charge is started to move, it will produce both electric field and magnetic field. Here question is of stationary electric charge, therefore it will produce electric field. How long will it take for a radioactive element having half-life 0.693 years to decrease its 10% of radioactive material? Okay, T half equal to, we know the expression, 0.693 divided by lambda. Okay, here T half is given 0.693 year, therefore lambda equal to 0.693 divided by 0.693, that equal to 1 per year. Okay, the expression for time equal to minus 1 by lambda ln n divided by n naught. Here we have to decrease its 10%. Okay, this will be minus 1 ln n 10 by 100 of n naught divided by n naught. These two cancel, then we get 2.303 year. Okay, option A is correct. If the motion of a particle is described by the differential equation d square x by dt square plus ax equal to 0, then the force acting on the particle is, okay, here we know the force is always directed towards the equilibrium position and is proportional to distance. Here d square x by dt square equal to minus ax. That means this is acceleration actually. Then the force is proportional to minus ax. Okay, option B is correct. Next, transformers are used to step up or down AC voltages. A particle cannot travel with the speed of light because its mass will become infinite. This is also a repetitive question in all the previous year question papers. Total number of Bravis lattices in 3 dimensions is 14. Okay. A negative electrode is called cathode. Yes. And positive electrode, negative cathode, positive anode. Positive anode. Okay. A source of wavelength 5896 angstrom is incident on a slit at a perpendicular distance of 3 mm from Lloyd's single mirror, and the screen is placed at a distance of 120 cm from the source. The fringe width is, the expression of fringe width is given by lambda small d into capital D, capital D by 2d. Here lambda equal to 5896 angstrom and small d equal to 3 mm and capital D equal to 120 cm. Substituting the values, then we get it is option B, 0.0118 cm. Meissner effect is expulsion of magnetic flux. It is the expulsion of magnetic field from interior of a material that is in the process of becoming superconductor, that is losing its resistance to flow of electric currents when cooled below a certain temperature called transition temperature, which is almost equal to absolute 0. Okay. Josephson effect is tunneling of electron. Josephson effect can be defined as it is the flow of electric current between two pieces of superconducting material separated by a thin layer of insulating material. Flow of electric current means it is the tunneling of electron. Therefore, option D is correct. The instrument useful for the measurement of the intensity of radiation is Option C is correct. Tangent galvanometer is for electric current measurement, and ammeter is for measuring DC or AC current in ampere, and actinometer is actually for measure the heating power of radiation, and radiometry is for intensity measurement of radiant energy. Option D is correct. The process of combination of a particle and an antiparticle and then its conversion of a radiation is called annihilation. Okay. Positron plus electron is resulted in annihilation process. Once 1 horsepower is 746 watts. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.